Butterflies for the first time I seen you, you was perfect. You was nothing like these other girls. Baby, you was worth it. Baby, you was worth every minute, every second. Like, man, what's wrong with your exes? Mama always told me count my blessings. Mama always told me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video for you guys on how I custom colored my 613 bob wig. One of the colors we'll be using is Fruit Punch, as well as the two colors Ruby Red and Truly Red, and then following the final color, Intense Red. First color we are applying is Fruit Punch, and I'm pretty much applying this for the roots of the wig. Here I just went on the other side of the wig and applied the fruit punch dye on the roots of the hair. I pretty much separated the frontal from the bundles of the wig, and I went ahead and applied the intense red at the bottom of the hair, making my way up. Going to take and mix your ruby red with your truly red, and you're going to apply it to the middle of the wig, making your way down into the intense red. I decided to include the frontal of the wig, and I continued to apply the mixture dyes of the truly red and the ruby red. Here I'm just going over the intense red with a little more intense red just to make sure I do have enough of the color on the bottom of the hair. And now I'm going over the mixture of the dyes of the ruby red and the truly red. Here is now the outcome of the colors after shampooing and conditioning the wig. Here I'm just showing you guys more of the coloration of the hair, and now next up I'm going to go ahead and get into styling the wig. I like to use a wax stick to help lay down like any extra strands of hair and to help the hair lay down as well. Another way for me to lay down the hair even more, I like to apply a little bit of mousse. So now we're going to finally get into cutting the wig. Now the final touch, we'll be applying the Anti-Humidity Shine Spray, and then you're just going to go ahead and comb it throughout the hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and there's your beautiful bob. I have more videos coming your way from DLA Styles.
Shawty, don't waste my time. Shawty, don't waste my time, yeah. Shawty, don't waste my time. Shawty, don't waste my time, yeah. Shawty, don't waste my time. Shawty, don't waste my time, yeah.